We have Unique here, and you have something irritating you as well.
Yes, I do. My eyes are constantly red, and a lot of times they are stingy or like itchy. So I don't know what that is.
That sort of points in the direction of allergy, but there's so many potential causes of red eyes, eye
Come up here really
irritation.
quickly.
Let's take a look.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's play doctor.
Why don't you stand in between us here? Because
Okay.
are they red right now? Is this your normal redness?
Well, no, it gets a little worse than this.
I think
Just
let's
mildly.
look straight ahead real quick. Okay.
Mildly red
Look up,
on both sides.
look down. Yeah, because
You can see the blood vessels.
Yeah, I hate that.
Very
Little,
prominent.
what we call a little bit injected, and so many potential causes. As I said, allergies, but it can be sun, it can be wind, it can be dust, it can be smog. It can be rubbing your eyes
Which I
a lot. A lot of people do that and don't realize that they're rubbing their eyes a lot. Now, are you using drops?
All the time. Like the whole 9. Pretty much anything I've tried burns my eyes.
Well, I think that may be part of the problem, that
Okay.
you probably would be better served. Your eyes are going to feel a lot better, and some of that redness is going to go away using something that really moisturizes your eyes.
Yeah, saline-based, because some of these drops, they're called vasoconstrictors. They make those blood vessels clamp up. And if you look at this animation, this is going to show why people have bloodshot eyes, because it really is. It's usually due to just dilation of those tiny blood vessels of the eye. And as Dr. Orton said, a lot of different causes, infectious, allergic, it can be a rebound effect from using too many eye drops. And the other thing is always look at other symptoms. So if you're at home and you have red eyes, you also have runny nose, well, then you're more likely to have some sort of allergic response. So talk with your doctor, and I think the number one thing here is try these next steps. And if it does not get better, then let's get you a follow-up, because this is something you need to take care of now, so it's not a lifelong issue.
Right.
Sound good?
Sounds good.